So on euro now, same thing happened on euro. We broke a counter trend line. We broke a counter trend line. So normally as we broke a counter trend line, we are supposed to come below here. We are supposed to come below here. If we break here, come here. If we break this place, we come here. But this market just broke counter trend line and came to this. This is a minor support level. This is a minor support level. And it just came here and it stopped. It's a minor support level and it stopped. So from monthly, this is also a candlestick pattern called morning star formation, and it happened on a major level. Not just that it happened, but on a major level. So you don't play with these things when you see them like this. This trading is experience. You move from higher time frame to lower time frame. But what happens on the higher time frame determines what happens on lower time frame. But when they are not in accordance, that means there's confusion. So at this point, this is what happened on what is happening on monthly. On a major level, we have a morning star formation. On weekly, we are still bullish because we are doing higher highs, higher low. On weekly, we are doing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, this is a low, higher low. So I'm expecting another higher high for us to make a core high here. Then from here we'll determine another place we'll be moving to. So this is what is happening here. Weekly is telling buy, monthly is telling buy. Then let's go to daily and see what daily is telling us. As you can see on GBP USD, they are just telling us another thing. They just broke a counter trend line again on euro. Euro just broke a counter trend line. It's also another signal to sell, but it hit a minor support level and they couldn't break below. So how do we engage euro? I've shown us how to engage GBP USD. It's only if we break above or break below. Then euro, how do we engage it at this point? So this counter trend line, I think, is validated. Let's see. Let's go to 4 hours and look for entry on euro. So at this point, euro came down here on a minor support level and formed a double bottom. Look at it, a very nice double bottom. And also we are having another trend line from the up to the down. So this is first touch, second touch, and third touch here. Okay, let's take this as a second touch. This is the third touch. If this market breaks above here, this is how we are going to trade this market now. If we break above here, we are going to retest. Then the next thing you will see is something like this. So wait for this week. This market will decide. We are going to break above this line this week. By next week we will do that. Because this market cannot consolidate forever. So that is why I'm telling you, when this market is consolidating like this, just move away. Just stop trading. Else you will take all your profits. So this is how we are going to engage this guy. Wait for it to break this trend line. Then you go in and start selling. Just start selling when it breaks this level here. Your stop loss will be under here. This is where your stop loss will be. And this is where your first take profit will be. Second take profit will be here. about 300 and something pips. So that's one other pair I'm going into. I'm going to show us USDCAD. USDCAD took me out on break even last week because I didn't learn something. It is good to draw your trend line very well. If you draw your trend line very well, I made a mistake drawing my trend line. Instead of me to draw my trend line from this up, from this peak, this one, this is the right trend line, I went and drew it here, from here. So at this point I started selling. I dropped the signal on the group, but it did as if it was going to come down and it blew to the upside. So at this point, USDCAD is also ripe for selling. It's also ripe for selling. So these are the trade pairs I'm looking at. This one, it has already broken a counter trend line, so you can sell USDCAD from next week. But at the moment, I'm not selling USDCAD. The market I'm into is Euro. GBP USD will take time to mature, but Euro will not take time to mature. When it breaks out of here, any close of 4 hours candle, a full body 4 hours candle at this top, I will enter Euro and take my profit at the first level 1.110000, then second profit 1.2711. So that is it for now on these pairs. Thank you. Now I'm also urging us, as we finish watching this video, some of us watched last one and they didn't subscribe to my channel, so do where to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.